A new month, and is it less busy over here? Well, the best way to find out is heading towards the busiest time of the day, over towards one of the most busiest places over here, and that is the Levante Beach during sunset. So let's have a walk down here. So for now it's quite difficult to say how busy it actually is over here, but I'm gonna make my way towards Old Town, check out the crowds everywhere, and I'm also quite hungry, so I'm gonna get a burger from Five Guys as well. Bars over here are still very popular during Gita. Plenty of people in there. Wow. Beautiful around here this time of day. For now it's hard to tell any difference between August and September. Of course it's just one day in yet. Might be some more Brits around, but that is something we get to see in the upcoming weeks, days and weeks as well. How busy it will be besides that. The beach itself. A few people in there still. Beautiful spending your evening over here on the water tonight. As for weather related, there is quite a difference already. It's currently 26 degrees, gonna drop down until 21 tonight, and that is one of the lowest temperatures we've had in a month. The up temperature will be around 30 degrees for the upcoming week, about the same. So it's beautiful as well, not above 30 anymore, around 30. That's beautiful. Perfect time and temperature for a jog around. Or checking out the busy Tiki Beach as well. Let's see how many Brits still find this place. Well, that sun did set fairly quickly tonight. It's already gone. Well, at least I don't have to look into it anymore. It was really bright just back there. But now, it's gone. And beautiful as well tonight. Crowds are picking up. And that's always the case the further we get towards Old Town. Well, from here on, we're gonna go past the area that is much more busy around. Got the inside Bamilia over here. And as well, Daytona coming up. This means that this is the area where most of the people are when they head towards Levante Beach, mainly because the Spanish people as well tend to stay a bit more near Old Town. Tends to get really busy over here at night. And it should be as well tonight, so let's see what the crowds have stayed. They have left. For now on it looks better at least. Plenty of walking space, still enough nice atmosphere around. And those British bars, you see it, they're quite busy. There's luz desde aquí. What a difference like this, eh? Lights on nicely. Bit more space to walk around. And the best thing, it's not that hot anymore. It is still warm, don't forget that. It's still around 26, but not that sticky weather out. It's beautiful for a walk out. And even might be for getting some drinks somewhere. But if you look over here, this bar has been completely packed for the last few months. But tonight, there's even first line, there is still some space left to sit. Same goes for Heartbreak. Of course, it's around 8. Most people are getting some food somewhere. But in August, it would be completely packed up already. And over here it doesn't look that busy as well. Time to get a nice burger. That was a nice meal, went around 15 euros. And that included some chips and unlimited refills for soft drinks as well. If you're thirsty, there's definitely recommended heading there for just 4 euros, unlimited drinks. Very nice, especially when it's hot out here in Benidorm. Now we're getting towards the real busy area. Got Moon Beach on the right. A bit further on we got Cool Lounge. Many more. You can see the flag out already for Pride Week. I believe that is also going to happen this week. With a big parade over here. I believe it was the 6th of September. There will be a big parade over here on the Levante Beach. And celebration throughout town this whole week. So we might see more of that. far as the crowds go near Old Town, this area, it is a bit calmer than the rest of the previous month. It was much nicer, much more area to breathe around, to walk around as well. Still plenty of people around. It's a beautiful evening like this. Lovely walk, lovely meal as well. Here in beautiful Benidorm again. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this walk, definitely do give it a like. Do subscribe if you want to see more. And hope to see you next time.